In this video, I'm going to show you how to share screen on Google Meet. Now, for us to get this done, it's actually quite simple. And what you're going to do is just tap the present now button right here. And you have three options. So you can choose a Chrome tab. So I'm using here a Chrome. So for example, if my slide is located in Chrome and I want to present just that particular slides or that particular tab, I can just go ahead and click this now and then click the share button. If, say, for example, I'm going to choose a window, say I have Chrome right here, I have OBS and the File Explorer, I can definitely choose. Now, the last thing and the most common thing is the entire screen. So that means sharing everything that you have opened. So from this point forward, go ahead and choose what you want to present. I'm going to choose this Chrome tab right here and tap the share button. And as you can see, we are now able to see what is happening in this particular tab. So if I were to go ahead and say present now, people should be able to see your screen. And that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.